There's a free, perfectly balanced fertilizer that you produce every single day without even thinking about it, and one that fertilizer companies would rather you never knew about. This isn't a joke or an internet legend. It's human urine. Yes, you heard that right. And before you close this video thinking that's disgusting or unsanitary, give me 5 minutes, because what you're about to learn is something our grandparents used, something traditional agriculture still uses across half the world, and there's serious scientific research confirming why it works better than a lot of the fertilizer you buy at the store. Let's start with the obvious question. Why doesn't anyone talk about this? The answer is simple. There's no way to sell you something you already produce for free in your own home. The fertilizer industry moves billions of dollars a year extracting, processing, and packaging nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The exact same 3 elements your body already combines perfectly every time you use the bathroom. The average adult produces enough nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in their urine over the course of a year to fertilize an entire vegetable garden. That's not just something I'm saying. It's confirmed by agricultural research from universities in Finland and Sweden, countries that have spent over 20 years studying this seriously because they understood something industrial agriculture would rather we forget. Nature doesn't waste nutrients. We do. Now let's talk about the part that's probably worrying you: safety. Urine, unlike feces, is essentially sterile when it leaves the body of a healthy person. It doesn't contain the pathogens that can be present in other types of waste. The main compound is urea, which breaks down quickly in soil, releasing nitrogen in a form plants can absorb almost immediately. It's literally one of the simplest nitrogen fertilizers that exists, except instead of buying it in an overpriced plastic bag, you already have it available right now. Now, how to use it correctly, because this is where most people get it wrong. Pure urine is too concentrated to apply directly to plants. It can burn the roots because of the excess salts and nitrogen. The ancestral rule, the same one used by rural communities before synthetic fertilizer existed, is to dilute 1 part urine in at least 8 to 10 parts water. With that dilution, you apply it directly at the base of the plant, never on the leaves, preferably into the soil rather than the foliage. It's recommended every 2 to 3 weeks during active growth, and you should stop applying it at least a month before harvest, especially with leafy or root vegetables eaten raw. Another technique our grandparents used, which makes even more sense if you live somewhere with limited water access, is adding urine directly to the compost pile instead of to the plants. It acts as a biological activator, speeding up the breakdown of dry materials like leaves, straw, or cardboard, because it supplies the nitrogen microorganisms need to work faster. If you've ever wondered why your compost takes months to finish, it's probably nitrogen deficient, and this is the cheapest way to give it that. There's an important detail almost nobody mentions. The plants that benefit most are leafy greens and fast vegetative growers. Things like corn, cabbage, lettuce in its growth stage, or pasture grasses. They're nitrogen-hungry plants. On the other hand, with plants that are flowering or fruiting, like tomatoes in their final stage, it's better to cut back the frequency, because excess nitrogen at that point favors foliage growth over fruit production. I know this sounds radical, almost uncomfortable to talk about openly, but think about it for a second. For generations, we've been buying in plastic bags, something nature, and our own bodies already gives us for free, constantly, and perfectly dosed by evolution. I'm not saying replace your entire fertilizing routine with this overnight. I'm saying there's a real, proven alternative, quietly ignored because of commercial interests, and anyone with a garden, a backyard, or even just a few pots can start using it today without spending a single dollar. If this video opened your eyes, hit like and subscribe, because on this channel, we keep digging up the ancestral techniques modern agriculture would rather you forget. And tell me in the comments, are you going to try it, or does it still make you a little uneasy? See you in the next video.